Robert Kiyosaki, the best-selling author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, has been an influential voice in the world of personal finance for decades. He's known for his unique perspectives on money, investing, and entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki believes that investing in your passions can be a double-edged sword. While it can be a fulfilling journey, there's a dark reality that many overlook. Investing in your passions can be a beautiful thing, but it's not always as straightforward as it seems. It can lead to financial hardships if not done with caution. Now, let's delve into the dark reality of investing in your passions as revealed by Robert Kiyosaki. Number 1. Financial risk. One of the key issues that Kiyosaki highlights is the financial risk involved. When you invest in your passion, it's easy to underestimate the costs involved. Your passion project might not generate the expected returns, leading to financial struggles. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of having a clear financial plan and understanding that not every passion project will be a financial success. Many people underestimate the initial and ongoing costs required to sustain their passion. Whether it's starting a small business, pursuing a creative endeavor, or investing in a hobby, the expenses can quickly add up. Without a realistic budget and a sustainable income stream, financial difficulties can arise, and the passion project can become a burden rather than a source of joy. To mitigate this financial risk, Kiyosaki advises aspiring entrepreneurs and passionate individuals to have a financial cushion in place. This cushion should cover both the startup costs and provide a safety net to support you during challenging times. Additionally, it's essential to continuously monitor the financial health of your passion project. Keep a watchful eye on expenses, revenue, and profitability, making necessary adjustments along the way to avoid financial pitfalls. Number 2. Lack of diversification. Another aspect to consider is the lack of diversification. Passion projects often consume all your time, energy, and money. You might neglect building a diversified investment portfolio, leaving you vulnerable to market fluctuations. Robert Kiyosaki underlines the importance of diversifying your investments. While investing in your passion is exciting and can be personally rewarding, it also carries the risk of creating a financial imbalance. When you pour all your resources into a single venture, you become excessively exposed to the performance of that specific project or market niche. The lack of diversification can leave you financially vulnerable in several ways. If your passion project faces unexpected challenges, such as a drop in demand for your products or services, you may find it challenging to adapt and recover. Moreover, niche markets can be particularly susceptible to volatility, making your financial situation even more precarious. Kiyosaki recommends a balanced approach. He suggests allocating a portion of your investment portfolio to your passion project while diversifying the rest. By doing so, you reduce the risk associated with any single investment. In the event that your passion project encounters difficulties, the diversified portion of your portfolio can serve as a financial safety net. Diversification doesn't mean you have to give up on your passion. Instead, it encourages you to protect your long-term financial stability while pursuing your dreams. Profits generated from your passion project can be reinvested into a diversified portfolio that includes traditional assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This approach not only shields you from the potential setbacks of your passion, but also provides opportunities for more stable, long-term growth. The key to balancing your passion investments with diversified assets is careful planning. Create a detailed financial strategy that outlines your goals, the percentage of your investment portfolio allocated to your passion, and how you intend to manage and monitor both aspects. By doing so, you ensure that your passion remains a source of personal fulfillment while securing your financial future. In summary, while investing in your passions can bring immense personal satisfaction, it's crucial to be mindful of financial diversification. Robert Kiyosaki's wisdom teaches us that striking a balance between pursuing our dreams and safeguarding our long-term financial well-being is essential. Diversifying your investments allows you to enjoy the best of both worlds: personal fulfillment and financial security. Number 3. Emotional attachments. Robert Kiyosaki also points out that emotional attachments to your passion can cloud your judgment. You might make irrational financial decisions because you're too emotionally invested in your project. Passion projects often become a significant part of our lives. We pour our hearts and souls into them, nurturing them as if they were our own children. This emotional connection can be a double-edged sword. While it drives us to strive for excellence, it can also lead to irrational financial decisions that undermine the success of our ventures. Kiyosaki's wisdom in this regard is profound. He stresses the importance of recognizing the emotional bias that comes with investing in something you're passionate about. When your heart is deeply involved, you might overlook warning signs, misjudge market conditions, or underestimate the financial risks. This can lead to costly mistakes that may impact not only your financial health but also your emotional well-being. To counteract this tendency, Kiyosaki recommends establishing a clear separation between your passion and your finances. While it's crucial to maintain enthusiasm and dedication to your project, you should also maintain financial discipline. Here are a few strategies to help you achieve this balance. 1. Seek professional guidance. Consider working with financial advisors or mentors who can provide an objective perspective. They can offer advice based on market realities rather than emotional attachment. 2. Set clear financial goals. Define your financial objectives and set limits to your investments. Be honest with yourself about when it's time to cut your losses or when it's appropriate to reinvest in your passion. 3. Regularly review and assess. Continuously monitor the financial aspects of your passion project. Regular reviews will help you stay grounded in reality and make necessary adjustments when required. 4. Build a support network. Surround yourself with individuals who can challenge your decisions and provide constructive feedback. This can help you make more rational financial choices. 5. Maintain a backup plan. It's wise to have a contingency plan in case your passion project doesn't yield the expected returns. This can alleviate some of the emotional stress associated with the financial aspects of your venture. In essence, Kiyosaki's counsel underscores that it's possible to balance passion with sound financial judgment. Emotional attachment doesn't have to lead to financial irrationality. By maintaining a clear division between the emotional and financial aspects of your passion project and seeking guidance when needed, you can navigate these challenges successfully. Remember that a passion project can be immensely rewarding, not only financially but also emotionally. By being aware of the potential pitfalls and implementing strategies to manage emotional biases, you can maximize the benefits of your passion while safeguarding your financial well-being. In conclusion, pursuing your passions can be an incredible journey. While the emotional attachment to your project is a powerful motivator, Robert Kiyosaki's wisdom reminds us that financial discipline and objectivity are equally important. By implementing these strategies, you can strike a balance that allows your passion to flourish and your finances to remain secure. Number 4. Market volatility. Passion investments are often tied to niche markets, which can be highly volatile. Fluctuations in these markets can jeopardize your financial stability. Robert Kiyosaki's insights extend to the inherent market volatility associated with passion investments. Many passion projects are closely tied to niche markets or specialized industries. While these niches may offer unique opportunities for innovation and creativity, they often come with increased market volatility. It's important to understand how market fluctuations can affect the financial stability of your passion project. The reality of niche markets is that they can experience rapid shifts in demand, consumer preferences, and competition. Factors like changing consumer trends, technological advancements, or economic downturns can have a profound impact on these markets. As a passionate investor, you might find it challenging to navigate these uncertainties effectively. Kiyosaki advises that, to thrive in such markets, you need a keen understanding of the industry's dynamics and potential risks. Here's how you can prepare for and manage market volatility while pursuing your passion. 1. Market research. Thoroughly research your niche market. Stay updated on industry trends, emerging competitors, and potential disruptors. Knowledge is your greatest asset when facing market volatility. 2. Risk mitigation. Consider implementing risk mitigation strategies, such as diversifying your product or service offerings within your niche. This can help you adapt to changing market conditions more effectively. Financial resilience. Building financial resilience is crucial. Ensure that your passion project has a buffer to weather economic downturns or market fluctuations. This financial cushion can help you stay afloat during tough times. 3. Adaptability. Be prepared to adapt and pivot when necessary. Passionate investors often have a vision, but the ability to adjust that vision in response to market changes is essential for long-term success. 4. Strategic networking. Establish connections within your industry. Collaborate with like-minded individuals, attend industry events, and seek mentorship from those who have experienced market volatility. In essence, while the market volatility in niche industries can be a significant challenge, it doesn't mean you should shy away from pursuing your passions. Instead, Kiyosaki's advice encourages individuals to be proactive and well-prepared. By staying informed, implementing risk mitigation strategies, and maintaining financial resilience, you can navigate the inherent volatility of niche markets successfully. It's also worth noting that passion can be a driving force for innovation and adaptability. Many successful entrepreneurs and creators credit their passion for helping them overcome market challenges and stand out in competitive industries. In conclusion, investing in your passions can indeed be a fulfilling endeavor. But understanding the unique challenges tied to market volatility in niche industries is crucial. By heeding Robert Kiyosaki's insights, you can approach your passion projects with greater resilience and adaptability, ensuring that your financial stability remains secure even in the face of market fluctuations. Advice from Robert Kiyosaki. Now that we've uncovered the dark side of investing in your passions, let's discuss some advice from Robert Kiyosaki to navigate these challenges. Passion investments can be wonderful, but always remember the importance of financial education. Make informed decisions, diversify your investments, and be cautious about overextending yourself. And most importantly, don't let your passion blind you to the reality of financial responsibility. In conclusion, investing in your passions can be a rewarding and fulfilling journey, but it's crucial to be aware of the dark realities that can come with it.